Citing databases is really easy. All you have to do is look for the citation and then copy and paste it to the top of your note sheet. So I'm just going to go into one of our databases. I'll go into Britannica School. And if you're asked to log in, it is LCJ, SMS, and student, all lowercase. And you can use any of the levels. We recommend for 6th grade that you start with the middle and then maybe use elementary. High school can be a little bit tricky and the articles can be very long. And I'm going to do a search on the tundra. And here is an article on tundra ecosystem. So you have your article, you read through it, you see if you can get notes from it, and then if you're able to do that, you want to cite your source. And databases put their citations in all different areas, so you really have to look around. Look and see if there's a cite button at the top or at the bottom, and if you're not sure what certain icons stand for, put your mouse over them and you'll see what they are meant to do. And in this situation, the cite button is that little check mark inside the box. So we use MLA citation here in Summit, and we're going to copy, all right, making sure I get all the punctuation in. So I'm going to copy that citation, and then on the top of my note sheet, I'm going to paste it. It's okay that you see that it's highlighted in white, but one thing you want to make sure you do is that if it's centered, all right, that you make it so that the margin is to the left, because citations are not meant to be centered like that. And that's all you need to do in order to cite the sources that you're using for databases, is find the citation, copy it, paste it to the top of your note sheet. And if you have any questions or need any help, don't hesitate to contact your librarians.